Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any videos. Dr. Malinga on fire for he promises to beat up a Tweep. One of the Twitter users tweeted saying, "I want Bonang to go lower. That Ria boy is behaving like he's dealing with the likes of Dr. Malinga." The statement itself has derailed. I myself wouldn't like it either. Well, we all know Ria's scandal, right? Him saying Bonang is the one who got aka Supermaker into drugs and all that. Now that tweet with Malinga's name inside of it, comparison. Malinga was not happy about it. In fact, he didn't like it. The tweet compared Bonang with Dr. Malinga, and in response, this is what Dr. Malinga said. Boy, nabianong adon su papi. Katrapa. I'm sure you are familiar with the kicks, right? Thereafter, Malinga requested the Tweep's location saying, "Intlek, send location fast." I'm pretty sure Dr. Malinga wanted to panel beat the Tweep. What do you think about this, guys? There you have it. Was it right for Twitter user to involve Dr. Malinga's name inside the Ria Khopane scandal? I don't know what you think. Drop the comments down below.